Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Insightly CRM project and deal links, complete guide step by step clearly. To update project and deal links in Insightly CRM, start by logging into your Insightly account. Navigate to the main dashboard where your projects and deals are listed. Locate the project or deal you want to update. Click on the name of the project or deal to open its details page. Once the details page is open, find the section labeled Links. Here, you will see existing links associated with the project or deal. To edit an existing link, click on the pencil icon next to the link you wish to update. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to modify the link's details. Ensure the URL is correct and update any relevant information in the fields provided. After making your changes, click the Save button to apply the updates. If you need to add a new link, look for the option labeled Add Link. Click on this option to open a new dialog box for adding your link. Enter the title and the URL for the new link. Once you've filled out the necessary information, click Save to complete the addition. After updating or adding links, review the project or deal summary to ensure everything appears correctly. If necessary, repeat these steps for any additional projects or deals. Once you've finished updating all necessary links, log out of your Insightly account if you are done. This completes the process of updating project and deal links in Insightly CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.